Hello everybody. This is our math session for today. This is lesson 5, metric units of mass, which is page 429, and let's get started. So today we're going to be able to choose appropriate measurement for different items, and we're going to be able to complete conversions through kilograms, grams, and milligrams. And remember, mass is amount of matter an object has. Mass, amount of matter in an object. This is a scientific term that you took before. And today we're going to learn what are the units of measurement of mass. Specifically, metric units of mass. Now, as you can see here, I have a clip, and the mass of a clip here is a gram. I have a grain of sand. The mass of a grain of sand is 1 milligram. For the pineapple, it almost measures 1 kilogram, and for the elephant, it measures a ton. A ton is 1,000. What 1,000? Well, it is 1,000 kilograms. Let's learn more about them. So the vocabulary that we will learn: kilogram, gram, and milligram. Now look at this one. A kilogram is 1,000 grams. A kilogram is 1,000 grams. A gram, now a kilo is 1,000 grams. A gram is 1,000 milligrams. Okay, now this scale here will show us what the reason of showing you these conversions here. Why a kilogram is 1,000 grams and why 1 gram is 1,000 milligrams. Let's take a close look at this one here. Well, this is the kilogram. This is the kilogram, and to reach the gram, which is the unit here, we have to count how many jumps do we have. 1, 2, 3. So 3 jumps means from up to down you will multiply by something has 3 zeros, which is 1,000. Well, also here from the gram to the milligram, count how many jumps. 1, 2, 3. 3 jumps, so you have to multiply by 1,000. Yes, you are. Okay. What if you're gonna convert from the milligram to the gram? Well, you'll count how many stairs are you gonna go up. 1, 2, 3. So from milli, which is the small unit, to the gram, which is the big unit, you will divide by 1,000. Great job. So let's apply this on our lesson. And don't forget, here you have a video for the metric system units. Don't forget to watch it. I will upload this presentation on Classera. Okay, now how will we apply this? Yes, here we go. Well, circle the correct answer. 11 kilograms equals space grams. How many grams? Well, think I will convert from a kilogram to gram. So by going to the chart there, okay, we'll have this here. So according to this chart, from a kilogram to a gram, I will jump 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So the number you're gonna multiply by is going to be 1,000. So multiply here by 1,000, you will get the answer. 11 times 1000 is 11,000. Great. For the second one, 750 grams. How many kilograms are they? Well, from grams to kilograms, remember, what are you converting? Is it a big to small or a small to big unit? Let me see. Grams to kilograms. Here we say grams to kilograms. So from small to big, you will divide. Well, we will divide here by 1, 2, 3. It is 1,000. So you are going to divide by 1,000. Remember, when you divide a number with no decimals, which we call a whole number, when you divide a whole number by a power of 10, you'll just put a decimal point, then move it as much as zeros as you have, which are 3 here. 1, 2, 3 decimal point. So the answer is 0.75, regardless the zero. Okay, what is 0.75? Well, I know that 0.75 is exactly 3/4. So the answer is B. For question 3 there, 6 kilograms and 60 grams. How many grams are they? So grams to grams, we will not convert, it's the same. Just need to convert from kilograms to grams. And I already know that the kilogram equals 1,000 grams. So you just multiply by 1,000. You will get 6,060, which is B. Now use greater than, less than, or equal to make each statement true. 2 kilograms and 1,900 milligrams. Well, to convert from gram to milligram, just go to the table there. Then count from grams to milligrams, big to small. So first of all, you're gonna multiply, then count 1, 2, 3. Yes, multiply by 1,000. Here we go. Here we go. Come on. Yes, you're gonna multiply by 1,000. So this will be 2,000. So who is greater? Are 2 grams or 1,900 milligrams are bigger? Yes. From grams to kilograms, okay, you will say it's easier to multiply. So you're gonna multiply this by 1,000. You will get 7,000, which is also bigger than 6,000 grams. Look at this one, from meters to centimeters. Well, this is a previous skill that we took last lesson. Well, this chart is going to be helpful for us. From meters to centimeters. Meters, here's the meter, to centimeter, here's the centi. So 1, 2, here we go. You're going to multiply by 2, multiply by a power of 10, which has 2 zeros, which is 100. So just multiply by 100, you will get 1, 2. So the answer is 538, which is equal to the other side. Now 0.9 kilograms and 900 grams. Multiply the kilograms by 1,000, because we are converting from big to small. 1, 2, 3, 900 is the answer, so they are equal. Well, this is how it works. Then we have this table here. He is asking you, well, as you can see, I just changed the order of questions, which will make the understanding much more clear and easy. Complete the tables here. 1 kilograms, how many grams are they? You just multiply by 1,000 each time you go through. So here the answer is going to be 9,000. And the answer here, it will be, just move with the decimal 3 times. It will be 12,250 And then here, just think, how will you divide this by 1000? Well, it's just about putting the decimal point here, then moving 3 times or 3 digits to have 16.5. Well, let's look here from a gram to milligram. Well, here you're gonna divide by going backwards. Divide by 1000. Here you should have a 0. You have to divide by 1000, so this is 5. Dividing this by 1000 give you 8.75. Then here what should you do is to multiply it by 1000 to get 10,700, which is 10,700. Then finally go to the next page. Jasper bought 2.8 kilograms of butter and 1.5 kilograms of flour to bake loaves of bread. How many grams of supplies did Jasper buy? He's asking how many grams, although he told me that he bought with kilograms. So it's just about adding 2.8 to 1.5 kilograms to get, that's just about adding decimals. You will get 3 and 4, so there are 4.3 kilograms. Then convert the kilograms to, I said kilometer here, kilograms, then convert it to grams just by multiplying by 1000. You will get 4,300, which is 4,300 grams. Then finally there to the next question here. Vocabulary check. The units of mass and the metric unit are, yes, kilograms, grams, and milligrams. And the appropriate metric unit for the mass of a cell phone is excellent, grams. So we're gonna write this down. Here we have, they are kilograms, grams, and finally milligrams. And the appropriate unit to measure the mass of a cell phone or a mobile phone is the grams. Excellent. So that's all for today's lesson. Thanks for watching and listening, and stay tuned for the next lesson because it is going to be the same. It will have the same concept.